So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete a ChatGPT account here on ChatGPT. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up ChatGPT. Then once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on your username, then press on settings and beta right above logout, press on settings and beta. And once you're here, there's general. We don't want that. Beta controls, we don't want that either. Data and controls, you can go ahead and press on this. And at the bottom right here, it says delete account. And if you press on this red button right here, the account will be deleted. So I'm not going to do this for this demonstration, but if you were to go ahead and press this red button, you can then delete your Chat GPT account. So pretty straightforward. But that's how you guys can delete a Chat GPT account here on Chat GPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.